how can this water and this temperature in the how is it heating? Can it be controlled from the
Yeah.
PLC?
Yes, the total time. The steam generator will turn off the
Yes.
steam.
After temperature
Yeah.
reaches 90.
Yes, if the jacket, you can see here, this temperature sensor reach
Yes, and it will
90.
automatically shut down.
shut down. Yes.
And when the temperature goes down, it will turn off.
Open. From here will be low, and then you can get the high percentage alcohol. Like if we adjust high, then we can get the from outlet where we can put in the alcohol meter from here. Unit from here we can put the alcohol meter from here. Then this one is closed. Put this closed and put the alcohol meter from here. And then we can see the and yeah, very easy to and here because it's testing we just from here is the ABC is power inlet. Actually we can connect it with 380 to the 400 volt three phase from here. Pay attention, it also need a non-wear. The non-wear is very important. If you don't connect the non-wear, it will can't operate.
Does it have a sensor for leakage
Of electricity.
Leakage?
Yes.
If somewhere electrical
Mhm.
leakage, will it cut?
Yeah.
Yes,
Of
turn
course.
off. Yes.
Yes.
This one. Yes.
Yeah. If we find this is some leak, it
Yeah.
will close automatically.
Yes.
Yeah, this model is a leak
Okay.
model,
Great.
and it's very safe to keep your.
Okay,
It
if
will
you-
close.
If
Yes.
somewhere leaking,
Yes.
you touch hand, it will not.
Yeah.
It will close.
Of course. And meanwhile, and all of there is no any electronic, and more. All of this valve is DC24. So
Only
it's
here
very
is.
no.
Çözüyordu, çıkan çözü. Şimdi de tam çok ayrılıyor. Gidiyor.
And the bottom is a wide filter valve. It's avoid some dirty or some dirty steam into this jacket because it's very hard to clean the dirty things. Yeah.
This is like a filter.
This is a filter. The steam here is a wide filter valve, and on the back.
Okay.
Yeah, got it. And this one is a backup valve. If the Y filter valve is broke, we can open here.
Okay.
We just open here,
Okay.
and then the steam also will go to the jacket to finish the
It's just only for alternative, right?
yeah. In the normal time, we just close this one. We don't open this one.
Okay.
If we open this one, the solenoid valve will, it means
Not working.
Yeah, not working.
Okay.
Yeah, we close this one in the normal. Yeah,
Okay. So
And-
we receive the steam then.
yeah. Then the steam go to the jacket.
Okay.
The steam jacket go to the here, and normally we can at the beginning, if we find the steam is not work well, we also can. You want to heat it more fast, we can open here slowly, a little. We can open here. Okay, open here just like this. Then the steam will go a little from here to the bottom gently. Then the steam will go to the inner.
Okay.
It will preheating more fast.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's a very large working valve, and if we just need even if we use the cooper inner, and it will need a high, long preheating time. If we can open here, we can shorten the preheating time. Yes.
So,
რომელიც რუსულში როწერია? ხო. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And so I will remember one question in these pictures
Yeah.
here, right?
Yeah. Yes.
This one. This is how the system.
Okay. Okay. And
But we want it with the documents.
okay.
It's not possible.
Yeah,
You can
yeah.
send it.
No problem. Fermenting things. If you
Fermenting.
yeah, because
It means what is inside.
What kind of
Mesh.
mesh? On mesh, you can also close. If you want to heating fast, we can open a little.
Okay.
Yeah, we can open a little. It's also a backup design and for you, and and we can from here it's innate to control. Yeah. If some solenoid work as a filter, we can open here. Actually,
To discharge, right?
yeah, to charge. Yes, yes. And see the agitator. Here is a clean
CIP,
bowl.
right?
Yeah, clean bowl, and the temperature sensor.
Okay.
And here.
Как будто есть, но на этом не знаем, на качество будет влиять или нет. So,